The Department of Justice has reportedly opened an investigation into whether market manipulation had anything to do with those massive run-ups in stocks like Gamestop and AMC. Federal prosecutors have subpoenaed Robinhood regarding this topic. That's according to the Wall Street Journal. The Journal reports that both the Justice Department's fraud section and the San Francisco U.S. Attorney's Office are seeking answers from brokers and from social media companies. The DOJ and Robinhood did decline CNBC's request for comment. And Melissa, this comes as we report today a rise in angry customers showing up here at the company's headquarters, saying that they're unable to get anyone on the phone regarding some of these account issues. Police records obtained by CNBC show a total of 10 incidents at the startup's headquarters. That's from January 28th through February 9th. Before late January, the department had seen 0 reports this year. This week, we witnessed one man kicking and banging on the front door of Robinhood, claiming that he was unable to access his account. We spoke to another Robinhood customer who says he drove 2,400 miles from Indiana after losing $50,000 trading Nokia. He says he was locked out of his account. Robinhood did decline to comment, but after we reached out, they did get back to the one gentleman we spoke to and say they resolved his issue. And Melissa, these are a few of Robinhood's 13 million customers, but their experiences really do echo what we've been hearing from other customers we've been talking to in the past couple of weeks, and some complaints to the FTC. Back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you. Kate Rooney has been following a lot of the twists and turns of this story. We should note that Robinhood executives, Melvin Capital executives, Citadel executives expected to testify on Capitol Hill February 18th. An IPO is in the offing for Robinhood. Dan, how do you think this all impacts the IPO, that roadshow, and that whole process when it's democratizing trading, but at the ire of certain participants?
Yeah, I think at the end of the day, I think we're not going to be saying that they democratize trading. If anything, they democratize the use of a customer and how to profit off of them. And I think it's going to be really not great for their IPO. This could be the WeWork of 2021. I don't know how you get away or get by this sort of PR issue. And if you talk to other of the major broker dealers and you hear how many people they are signing up that are coming from Robinhood. I know that there were some stats out there about Robinhood downloads that were still really good from the app stores while this was all happening with the GameStop thing. I think when the dust settles, you're going to see that the large incumbents are the big winners in this one.
I am no expert on clearinghouses and market structure, but what always seemed to be a puzzle to me was how did it get to a point where Robinhood got phone calls literally overnight saying that it needed billions more in capital. And I think that as it signs up a lot of these new users, that's going to be a question going forward, Karen. What sorts of infrastructures, compliance measures do they have in place to deal with this heavy inflow potentially of retail trades?
Yeah, it's not enough. And also it makes you wonder if whatever the arrangement they had before, if you were their clearinghouse, do you need them to put up much more money in the future? I don't know. Does that affect their business model? I don't know if that's a more broad thing than just Robinhood. I think that, that was probably an all-night thing for several nights in a row. And it's sort of amazing, my kids asked me a lot about it, and they were so furious at Robinhood, not that they have Robinhood accounts, but that, to me, though, that it had to, of course, been an existential crisis, or why would Robinhood do that? They don't want to shut their customers out. So I don't know if they do file, are we going to see, are they going to have to tell us everything that happened during this period? Are we going to really get the story? I'd want to know that in an S1. I would find that interesting in the risks, and I don't know. I'd love to hear more about this story because there's a lot there.
Yeah, we might hear it when they're on Capitol Hill.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.